What's going on in this real estate market? Got money in my home and I need a place to park it. I just started, I need it sold. Don't get disheartened, call Remax Gold. I like gold. Hey, Remax Gold. Yo, it's what I'm sold. We get it sold. Put it in crypto, then I have to play my options. Put it in stock, then I gotta cut my losses. You know how the sauce is, they sellin' fear. How buyers can't afford and homes have disappeared. Hollered at Melinda, he told me reinvest. News said there's no buyers, inventory's getting stressed. What do I do if I can't get it sold? Gonna call my agent, the broker's Remax Gold. News said it's inflation, interest 5%, 3 and 4 renting, and sellers on the fence. Gold agents have the answer to help you sell and buy. Home guide mortgage lenders will help you qualify. Our numbers at the bottom, our signs are everywhere. Go and keep your head up, balloon is in the air. Cali Gold Coast, we make your dreams come true. Agents with integrity, we rep the red and blue. You see us in the Instas, DM us anytime. Program us in your Tesla when you see the Remax sign. So stop all your stressing, it's a simple lesson. Gold agents have the answer to get you through recession. Check out the rate sheet, write offers, rinse, repeat. On market for 1 week, we are one big family. We're just getting started, we dominate the markets. Sac's where our heart is, just call Remax Gold.